Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the camera app and frame your subject using the rear lens. Position the subject where you want focus and exposure to remain fixed. Long press the subject on screen for 1 second until the yellow AF/AE box appears and locks. A small padlock icon will show near the focus square to confirm AF/AE lock. That lock remains active until you tap the screen again or close the camera app. Use this method for still photos and simple video when you need consistent focus. Install a third-party app like Halide or Pro Cam to use manual focus. Open the app and switch to manual or pro mode, then select focus on the control panel. Use the manual focus slider or focus ring to move glass elements and set sharpness precisely. Watch the magnified preview and zebra or focus peaking indicators to confirm critical focus. These apps let you override autofocus and save exact focus positions for photo or video shoots. Enable macro control in settings for models with macro switching lenses to prevent unwanted lens changes. Use a tripod and the timer to avoid moving the camera and losing precise focus during capture. Try tap and drag focus adjustments for small tweaks when AF/AE lock is not enough. If autofocus still misbehaves, restart the iPhone and update to the latest iOS to apply camera fixes. As a final option, consider professional camera apps that support focus presets and hard.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.